we are going to discuss certain rules to be followed at the time of entry and exit by one and all. Local transmission of COVID-19 occurs when person contacts any infected touch point and meets any infected person without protection. This training video helps you to develop certain rules to be followed during entry into the factory and exit from the factory. Rules are based on certain common precautionary measures, including wearing mask, following hygiene and sanitation practices, maintaining social distance. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professionals working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topics on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. One of the requirements imposed by local authority is that each person enters into factory must submit a self-declaration. The information to be disclosed by one and all, pertaining to travel history, medical history including his family members as well. AAROGYA SETU application is mandatory to install on smartphone by one and all. It is also recommended that one must to do self-test and keep location sharing and Bluetooth always on. This mobile application has been designed to build network of data and provide you alert notification. When employees or contract workers arrive at your factory, you must check his body temperature without touching to them. Hence, thermal scanning device is mandatory to use. It is also recommended to provide training to the person going to use thermal scanning device on following important aspects. What is normal temperature of body for an adult? What is abnormal temperature of body? When to change battery of this device? Difference of unit of measurement, that is centigrade and Fahrenheit. You must convey to all employees and contract workers that they should come with full sleeve clothing. Full sleeve clothing helps to protect skin from chemicals being used for disinfection. All employees and contract workers must wear mask when they are out from home for any purpose. Ensure that either homemade mask or triple layer mask is used by them. If they are without mask, ensure a fresh mask is provided at entrance of the factory. It is recommended by local authority, disinfection tunnel is to be made at factory gate. All persons including employees, contract workers, visitors or any other, must pass through this tunnel while entering into factory, as well as while going out from factory. It is equally significant to pass through the tunnel when person is going out from factory too. Recommended chemicals and quantity of dose are to be ensured for disinfection tunnel, as per directives issued by manufacturers. manufacturers, or by local authority. Maintaining social distance is now mandatory by one and all. All persons, including employees or contract workers, while entering into factory, as well as while going out from factory, must maintain social distance with each other. A minimum distance to maintain from each other is 6 feet. If time of entry and exits, for all employees and contract workers, are same, it may lead to non-compliance of social distance. If all people will start moving at the same time from one gate, you are at very high risk of local transmission. Hence, it is recommended that you must schedule time for entry and exit, either department-wise or area-wise. To ensure social compliance, during entry and exit, it is recommended that marking on floor, on either sides of factory gate, is to be ensured as indicated. Thus, it helps people to move with social distance with each other. It is always recommended to depute someone or security guard during such peak time of entry and exit to ensure compliance with social distance. Disinfection of factory gate is to be carried out after each shift operation. This gate is operated by many, and it has high risk of local transmission. It is recommended to keep factory gate partially open during daytime, if dedicated security guard is available. There are many factories using biometric system for taking attendance. This touch point has high risk of local transmission. It is recommended to avoid taking attendance through biometric system and take attendance through other means. If biometric system is used, provision of hand sanitization is to be ensured. If there is a chance to operate gate for access entry, avoid such touch point. It is highly recommended to keep such door open. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.